In today's video, we are going to show you how to host a live Edpuzzle session so you can play a video in real time and keep all your students engaged. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the My Classes. Here, click the assignment and click the video that you wanted to be the host. Okay. Now, as you can see, there is an option here. If you click the video itself, you will be forwarded here. Now, all I have to do is super simple. Click the live mode because this feature allows you to host the video live so students can watch together in real time. As you can see, you can tell your students to open the Edpuzzle and go to their class. Okay. And then all I have to do is click the Start Live mode. After clicking the live, select the class that you wanted. As you can see, we have it here. Provide the class code and click the Start button. Okay. And of course, you may choose the correct class so this session connects to the right student. Play the video as it is. All right. And of course, if you want to rewatch it along with their students, you can do so. It depends on the length of your video. So in my case, the video is kind of like a short video, like 4 seconds. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to host an Edpuzzle live session and engage your students in real time. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.